Hi, my name is Anu Paavola and I am the owner of Jivita Ayurveda, an Ayurvedic clinic and spa in London. We also run healing detox retreats in the beautiful English countryside of West Dorset. The best detox programs are carried out in a secluded retreat environment, away from the potential stresses that interfere with healing. Easy to reach, our Dorset location also reduces the impact of the long-distance traveling, which on its own can reverse the achieved results. Ayurvedic cleansing programs are good at treating people with repeating digestive issues and chronic lifestyle disorders, stress, inflammation, headaches, joint aches, and other unexplained and hard to diagnose conditions such as ME or long COVID. Our retreats are also a sanctuary for those who just want to wind down, gather strength and resilience, or just climb higher and higher on the ladder of well-being. The approach is, in all cases, optimizing diet, making comfortable lifestyle changes, using herbal medicines and massage treatments. In our detox programs, we use all these modalities together in order to help the body to reinstate health and well-being. Chronic ailments need to be given time to heal. Many of us don't have that choice, but to live with the chronic conditions because there is no time. With Ayurvedic healing methods, the process of recovery is accelerated. Enough well-spent time in a place of natural beauty, providing safety and comfort, is where we help the body-mind to become more resilient and return to the underlying platform of well-being. Ayurveda teaches that we can recover from almost anything, given the right conditions, because well-being is our birthright. Our retreats aim specifically to rediscover that space where health, growth and restoration are a default setting. Check out our retreat options. Get in touch so we can start planning the perfect solution for you. Bye for now.